Hey there! If you're considering applying for the Journey Student Rewards card from Capital One, or just curious about its features, you've come to the right place. This is a student-friendly card designed to help you build credit while earning some rewards along the way. In this video, we'll walk you through its benefits, the fees you need to know about, and some key terms you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk about the rewards. The Journey Student Rewards card offers 1% cash back on all your purchases, but that can increase to 1.25% if you make your payments on time. This is a great incentive for students who are building credit and learning how to manage their finances. Plus, there's no limit on how much cash back you can earn, which is a solid perk for a starter card. Another major advantage: there's no annual fee. That's right. Unlike some other cards that can hit you with hidden charges, this one has zero annual cost, making it a good option if you're looking to avoid extra fees. You also won't have to worry about foreign transaction fees, which means you can use it while traveling abroad without getting charged for purchases in different currencies. Now, let's touch on some potential downsides. The APR can be quite high compared to other cards, which could be a concern if you plan on carrying a balance. As of now, the APR sits at 30.74% variable. This is typical for student cards, but it's something to watch out for. You should aim to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying high-interest fees. Another point to consider is that while the card's rewards are decent, other cards on the market might offer better cash back rates on specific categories, like dining or groceries. This card is more about earning consistent rewards across all purchases rather than focusing on specific spending categories. Moving on to services, Capital One gives cardholders access to CreditWise, a tool that helps you track your credit score for free. This is super helpful if you're new to managing credit. Additionally, you'll get fraud coverage, which protects you if your card is lost or stolen. Capital One also has a robust mobile app where you can pay your bills, check your balance, and even lock your card if you misplace it. Summing up, the Journey Student Rewards card is designed to help students build their credit while offering a bit of cash back in return. It's easy to use, has no annual fees, and comes with some solid perks like CreditWise and no foreign transaction fees. However, be cautious about the high APR and consider other cards if you're looking for more targeted rewards. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stick around for more credit card insights. Thanks for watching.